Hey friends, we are creating amazing business websites using WordPress core and premium WordPress themes on this channel. Premium WordPress themes and resources can be bought on themeforest.net, Code Canyon through the video description link. You'll find all the links in the video description with all the videos on this channel. But time to time, I used to share some free resources, in terms of theme or even plugins that you can download officially at themeforest.net to create your business website. Yes, free WordPress themes officially at themeforest.net. And this is another video in the same series in which I am going to share a theme that you can download absolutely free for a limited time, of course, uh, at themeforest.net. And theme is Seargin, Seargin. Sorry, the spelling is something. So correctly, it can be Seargin. So this is basically business consulting WordPress theme, which is available absolutely for free officially at themeforest.net until 2nd May 2025. So I'm sorry I'm recording this video late, but yes, it is still available. And just in case if you miss the chance and watching the video later on after this date, you can get in touch with us. And mm, after that, you can buy the theme just for $29. Even in $29, it is going to be a great deal because this theme, Sarigan, gives multiple pre-made websites options that you can target. Like if you are targeting a financial services website, this is the layout that you can create with the theme. And similarly, we have the business consultant layout. This is amazing. And this is another one, the digital marketing using abstract images. And this is also equally good. Lawyer services website that you can target with a theme, and the insurance agent or insurance business. So it is again good. And this is for personal advisor. So 6 layouts that you can have with the theme share game. And yes, we can download this theme for free, and it is a premium theme, of course. So this theme came into existence uh, in 2023, and the updates are also being done time to time. And it has been developed by Express Buddy. So you can buy the theme either for $29 after 2nd May. And in this $29, you are going to get quality check by Envato, future updates, and 6 month support from Express Buddy itself. But don't miss to download the theme for free for until tomorrow. So you can even get in touch with us on a live chat at iCreate program, just in case if you have any query regarding your WordPress website. Okay, so the time is to begin the installation and download the theme first of all. So the Sagan is available for free, and I'm going to download it first. So you just need a theme forest account that you can create for free, and I am here at login state, and it can be downloaded now for free. I'm clicking on download it for free, and the download started and even downloaded. So I'm going to use this theme pack, and in the theme pack I'll show you the contents of the theme pack. I'm going to extract this. Okay, so delete this, and after extracting I got this Seargin package, and this can be also deleted. And just, yeah, okay. So the theme pack is here, and this is installable theme file. The sample data is here, the changelog, the licensing part, and some bundled plugins, Revolution Slider and Express Core. So this is what I got in this download, and we can use this installable theme file that is showing 4.6 MB in size. Okay, to begin the installation, we can simply head to the WordPress core and fresh installation. I am using this shared hosting plan, cPanel based hosting plan, or it is advised to use cPanel or hPanel based hosting plan that you can get at WP Themes website. Link has been given in the description. All great hosting plans that you can explore there. And I have already installed the WordPress core phrase using this WordPress manager by Softaculous, and I'm using the default WordPress theme, and here is the look. Now I'm going to install the Seargin WordPress theme that I downloaded for free, and again the theme is available for free until 2nd May 2025. So don't miss the date, don't miss the chance, and after that you need to pay $29. Okay, right. So, well, we can proceed further for installation, and here is the appearance section where we can head to the theme section where we have to upload the theme by clicking on add now and upload theme button. Here we need to choose the installable theme file. That is, we need to select this Seargin. Okay, so I selected this, clicking on install now. Let us see how fast it works and how quickly we can install the theme and start customizing our target website. So I am going to show you all step by steps. You don't need any technical skill for doing all these things. So theme got installed successfully. We can go to the theme page just to check the details. And Seargin is here. And this is version 1.0.0. This is very first version. So I can activate the theme here and begin installing the plugins. I can see 10 plugins are listed here and 4 are required, rest are recommended. Elementor is the page builder, and watermark is here, say Revolution Slider for hero image, and Express Core is the core plugin. Breadcrumb, the classic editor, contact from 7, one-click demo import, SVG email support, and even WooCommerce. So just in case if you are targeting an e-commerce website with this theme, you can target. Right. So I'm going to select all and selecting install, clicking on apply. And this process is going to install all the listed plugins here. So it is important to install all the plugins properly without any error or difficulty, because uh, it is bringing all the important features at our website. And if you are facing an error like this is the critical message, this is somehow coming in my code, so I'm going to install all. So it is not like error. I'm just selecting all again, and let's see how it works. I wish to show you all the clarity about the theme. So it is showing some error, but it is not like that. So what we can do, we can install the plugins one by one even to avoid this error message. But yes, we can take another attempt to install all the plugins in a single attempt. And if you are fearing it is error and it may cause any problem, it is not like that. So we can simply proceed. The package could not be installed and bad format uh, center directory. So it is okay. That is fine. So I'm coming back again, and Revolution slider is available uh, separately in the theme pack. So it is not like a problem. So we can install this plugin separately, and I'm going to take another attempt to install rest of the plugins. Let us see how it works. And this is why I am creating some videos, so that you may get all the insights, all the process about the installation, and you may be very confident eh, before you are going to purchase this theme or any other theme. So as you know, this channel WP Themes has the biggest collection of theme and WordPress resources. You can check themes, understand theme features by watching videos on this channel, and overview the features and compare the themes and resources, so that you may take correct decision about the theme, because selecting a theme is a crucial part for making a successful website, no doubt. And if you are not selecting correct theme for your potential business website, it is going to be a trouble for you. So it is really very important, so that you may select a proper and suitable theme according to your website needs, your project needs. And we are all available here through the comment section, or even in the on the live chat, where you can ask any question related to WordPress website. So meanwhile, we discussed all these points. I installed rest of the plugins by clicking install button one by one, and only Revolution Slider is remaining now, and that I can install directly through the theme pack that is available. So activate links can be seen here, all have been installed, and Revolution Slider is pending, that I am installing using the plugin pack that is available with the theme. So I'm going to add a plugin here, and will upload the Revolution Slider directly, since in the online method of uploading is not working. So in the bundled plugin, I have this revolution slider. So I'm selecting this, clicking on install now. Just again going to be so simple. So I'm sure you are confident and you can do this all at your end without having any technical knowledge. And if you are a developer, it is just a task of click for you, and you can create amazing things using WordPress core and WordPress plugins, themes, and all. Okay, great. So I have installed the devolution slider and activated as well. I'm coming back to the plugin installer screen to activate all the plugins that we have installed, and I'm selecting all of, and this time I'll select activate and clicking on apply. So this will activate all the installed plugins. Wonderful. Great. All right. So coming back to the dashboard just to check whether we need any further action or there is something remaining. Okay, great. And you can dismiss this. All plugins along with the theme had been installed successfully, and I can see some new navigations here. So I'll show you all these things, but yes, I can take another look of our website that is showing the code look and without any demo content. So we have 6 layouts that we can target with the theme, and I'll show you all again. Either it can be digital marketing, financing services. You can target like financial planning, business consulting, digital marketing, the law firm, insurance agent, or the personal advisor website using this theme. So, what is the next step? Of course, we are going to import the demo content to make any target website that we can target with the theme. And under appearance, I can see import demo data option, and here we can click on the okay, we can select what we need. So this is great, and I'm selecting very first one. Considering it the default one, you have all the choices in terms of different layouts. Right. So import demo, continue and import, and now the demo import processes begin. Here we need to wait and so our due patience without disturbing the screen and process. However, we can open the media library in another tab just to check whether we are getting images. If we are getting images here, like I'm getting, so it means the demo import process is going fine and we will get all the elements at our installation. Just we need to wait, and it depends on your hosting capacity, internet speed, and also dependent factors how much time it takes. But hardly it takes on an average 5 minutes. And after 1 minute, just 1 minute, I can see I have received 80 media items out of 100 that is available with the pack, and it is still going on, and I can expect very quickly. So it is hardly going to take 2 or 3 minutes for me. Okay, so okay, sorry. So it is 121 media items, not the total number is 100. So total received media items is 121, and we can load more. So it is still going on, and it is going to take few more minute or second. So we have to check, and I'll tell you how much time it is actually taking, at least for me. Okay, so after around 5 minutes, yes, exactly 5 minutes, not exactly, but yes, around 5 minutes, I got this uh, wonderful and cool message. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. Why 5 minutes? Why it took 5 minutes? Because the number of media items is really high, and I received 457 media items in this demo import. This is why it took around 5 minutes. But yes, I'm happy that I have received all the stuffs, all the elements for our website, and this is time when we can follow this link for visiting our new website. And I'm closing rest of the open tabs, and here I am waiting for my new website. I mean the new demo website that we just created, and here it is, and I am really happy to see this all good. And I got all the elements, all the areas that we same in the actual demo. Now we have at our installation. The installation remained successful, smooth, and cool. And I got all the pages along with the about services and all the pages. And the speed is really appreciable. So all the inner pages are well crafted, so you can use these pages directly for your website purposes like services, service detail, career, team details, pricing, and all. I'm randomly opening some pages, some pricing details. Yes, it is good. And the portfolio that we can check, it is good. And the shop is also here. So there is no content blog that I can see here, and the contact page. All good, and all is working without any doubt. So we are here, and we have successfully completed the installation. So it goes without saying, theme is working, installation is working fine. You can go with this theme, and you have opportunity to grab that you can download this theme for free just for today or tomorrow. Until tomorrow, 2nd May, it is free, and you can download it. Okay, right. So yes, now I'm going to show you the backend again and what I got in terms of the control with the installation. So first of all, I can see the theme options where we can control the basic things about the website: primary color, color controls, general settings, enable HTK header and HTK footer, the typography options that I can see here. And in case if you are clicking on typography and it is not loading the grid, select the typography or and click the reload the page, it will be opened. So similarly, the header options, and header can be loaded, banner options. So in the header option, you can upload the logo. Similarly, we have all the section like page options, blog page, the single post, WooCommerce setting, career settings, and all that you can control directly from the this control panel. Further, we have the portfolio section separately, so where you can control all the portfolios here. You can add new portfolio and all career sections, header and footer areas. So you can edit the respective header and footer what is being used at your selected layout. So like if I'm using the default one, the header one. So we can always check which header is being used. So just open the page, I mean the home page, and you can hover on the edit with Elementor. It will show you which header and footer is being used at your website, right? So similarly, we have all the controls, and we can simply edit the content using these options. And for editing the slider part, I mean the hero image part, if it is being used at your selected layout, you can change the layout. Like if I'm editing the slider one, it is going to be simple. You can simply change the text, change the image. What we have to keep in mind, we have to use the same dimension of image and same length of text content what has been used in the demo, so that we may maintain the design integrity of the website. So it is going to be super easy and cool, and you can even launch your website in a day or so. So it is very easy to handle and customize. So, and for editing the content being displayed on the pages, you can simply open the respective page that you want to edit and click on edit with Elementor. Elementor is very easy to use and handle uh, page builder that is widely being used on WordPress website. You can simply start editing your site using Elementor. Click on the area, change the things, and just save and publish. So you will be able to change all the content. And it is a good idea to take a backup at least for homepage. However, Elementor takes backup when you are editing, so you can go directly for editing, and I'm sure you will be able to do all these things at your own. So in case, just in case, if you need a complete website from our range and within a day, in fact, we are delivering a website in a day, single day. So you can request a website directly at iCreate program, join the program after purchasing the theme, or even if you are not buying the theme, you can start a direct chat with a mentor. You can request a website that you can get in a day or so, and we are going to deliver you a complete website using this theme or any other selected theme that you are selecting, right? So all is good for you, and you can start creating your wonderful website using this Seargin WordPress theme, and it is surprisingly available for free for today or tomorrow. And you can even use this thing after this date for $29, of course. So we created this amazing website using this Seargin. I'm sorry, I'm not taking the correct name, but yes, this theme is here, and you can start building your great website using this theme. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your great website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.